Thank you for joining us. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Create Custom Reports tool, which is found under the Market tab here at the top of Bright MLS. So once we click on Market, we're going to come right over here, and we're going to take a look at Create Custom Reports. Now, why are we taking a look at Create Custom Reports today? Well, it is one of the most powerful and flexible statistical tools that you have access to in Bright MLS. We do have a number of other reports found under the Market tab, like Industry Watch, Market Performance, the Home Demand Index. However, today, again, we're going to be taking a look at Create Custom Reports. Now, why would you want to come to this section and generate a custom report or custom statistic? Well, it helps you tell your story with data, whatever kind of item it is that you're trying to communicate to your buyer or seller. Well, finding statistics that help back that up are pretty helpful. So here within the custom reports tool, we are going to come up here to the top left to the Customize tab. Yes, you have your system presets, and you can see I have quite a few presets myself. But here under the system presets, feel free to explore. But I do like coming here to the Customize tab. So what are we looking at now? Off to the left, we have our statistic input or request that we're going to form. And then off to the right, we have the location and property characteristic type information that we want included in that statistic. So let's start at the top left and figure out over what period of time and what statistic we would like to take a look at. Well, we are going to take a look at the past 5 years. Now, you notice you have a couple options here, as well as a custom input, which will allow you to go month to month up to 10 years into the past. But we're going to take a look at the past 5-year trend for the average sale price. Okay, you do have quite a few statistic options here, but we're going to do average sale price. And we're going to look at that on a year-to-year basis. Another thing I would offer or recommend is under style options, choose the display values option. This is actually going to put a figure at the top of the chart that we're looking at. So now that we've built out the statistic request, what item it is that we want to look at over a given period of time, now we have to tell it where and what types of properties to look at for that statistic. So I could do a postal city, a county, a subdivision, or a legal subdivision. Or I could create a custom map area. So one of the nice things about this report or tool that I like is that you're not limited by a predefined geographic region. Okay, you can create your own map area to generate a statistic from a given point of interest. Say you've done a recently closed transaction and you're trying to generate some statistics for that. Well, you can draw a custom shape or radius around that subject property to pull statistics. Now, I'm not going to do that here in today's example, but you do have that option. I am going to come down here, and in the additional fields, I've added zip code. So I'm going to enter 19026. Now, I do have other property characteristic details that I could add. Like maybe I was trying to find statistics for detached properties in that area, or maybe row townhomes. So I can select one of those if I'd like. I'm going to choose detached. So now I know I'm looking for detached property in 19026, and I'm also going to mark residential. So now that I have this built out, I can go ahead and click generate. But before I do that, a quick review. So we are looking at average sale price over the last 5 years on a year-to-year basis for residential property in 19026 for detached structures. Let's click generate. So now what I am looking at is the average sale price trend from 2019 to current 2024, what we have so far this year, for average sale price. And we can see that's a pretty steep trajectory. So what does this communicate to a buyer or seller? I'll leave that to you guys to determine and work it into your talk tracks. But again, today we looked at the Create Custom Reports tool, which is found under the Market tab. All right. So thank you very much for joining us today, and have a wonderful afternoon. Take care.